Queen, a king, put your hands up. If you're a queen, a king, put your hands up, because your girl is back with another wig review. So today I'm gonna be reviewing a company called ilikehair.com. Let's get into the box. Let's get into the packaging. Okay, let's open it. That's how it looks on the inside. I don't know, like, I'm feeling this packaging. Like, I think it's super cute. I love the orange and black. I don't know, these wig companies, like, they stepping up with their packaging. Okay, so we're gonna be trying their water wave 18-inch wig. This is how it look. I'm gonna show y'all the picture, the video I took right here when I first took the hair out of the box and before I bleached it and stuff, because I did bleach the knots. As you can see, I did overdo it a little bit. Yeah, I did pluck it just a little bit. I did some plucking. I'm probably gonna need to do some more plucking. I'm not sure. We gonna see. But let's but yeah, this is the wig and it's 18 inches like I said. It's pretty. We're gonna add some water and we're gonna install it together. I already did the wig cap method. So that part's out the way. But let's see what's inside the box.
Up made a bang.
Oh, they give a bonnet. Okay, don't mind my wig cap. Okay, I told y'all I did the wig cap method, but the bonnet kind of feels like a shower cap. Is it I think this is a shower cap actually, because the material, y'all see the material on the inside, like it feels like shower cap material. It might be a shower cap. I'm not sure. Let me put this back on, okay? Because I'm looking at myself, I'm like, girl. Okay, put that hat back on. And they give clips, some clips. Definitely will be needing these. These are different. They didn't just give regular silver tweezers. Don't mind my nails. I need to get my nails done. Don't worry, sis. Don't worry, I'm on it. But I just came back, so, you know, just came back from out of town, so, you know, just chilling and been trying to get these videos out for y'all. But yeah, this is the tweezers. Okay, so let's try the wig on. I did try it on, okay? So I wanted a sneak peek. So I did bleach the lace like I said in the beginning of the video. I probably left it for like 15 minutes. I think I did like, I don't think I over bleached it, but I got some, like, it lightened some of the roots, but it's okay because like you could fix that, and I'm gonna show y'all. And I did do some plucking, so let me show y'all the inside. This is the inside. Ooh, I love me some curly hair, y'all. Like, I feel like curly hair might be my signature look, but it's kind of confusing because like I love straight hair too, but I feel like curly hair like just looks super bomb on me. So this is how it looks. I did do a little plucking. Ooh, I'm feeling myself. This is pretty. The hair is super soft. Let's see if I am getting some shedding, but like I always tell y'all, curly hair is gonna shed. It's like no way around it. Like curly hair is gonna shed, but you know it's a good company if it doesn't shed like crazy. Because okay, curly hair sheds, but it shouldn't shed like, you know, like I say, a dog or a cat hair. Like it should shed like just a little bit. But this is a shedding I got so far. I'm gonna be gluing it because I am gonna keep it for like a day or two. I'm probably gonna keep it for a day or two. I'm not sure, but just because I glue it doesn't mean you can't take it off the same day. But you don't have to glue it. There's like other methods you can use. The got to be freeze spray, or you can use the gel. But I just really like the Ghost Bond and it lasts longer. you know, if you want to keep your wig on for like a week or two, this is your go-to. But let's get into it.
Zen up made a bang. Zen up made a
Sticked everything, and now it's time to melt the lace. And what I like to use is a hot comb to just hot comb the edges, and then after that I'm gonna tie it down with a scarf and leave it for about like 20 minutes just so it can really melt, and then I'm gonna cut it from there. But I'm gonna be right back when I finish sitting with the scarf on for 20 minutes, but we're about to hot comb it.
Zen up made a bang.
So I let it sit for about 20 minutes, and now I feel like it's good enough. I tied it like super tight.
Zen up made a
Now we're gonna use those clips that they gave just to hold everything down so I can cut it. This is the finished look. Okay, we finally done. So the products that I used was, I used my spray bottle with conditioners in it, and I used the OGX coconut curls. This is it right here. I love this stuff. You could get it at I believe you can get it at Target and Walmart, and you probably can find it on Amazon also. I'll put it in the description box below the name. But this product is bomb, especially so your hair doesn't get frizzy, you know, during the day. But let me show y'all the bag.
Zen up made a bang.
So I love it. It's super soft. Like I said, it's still soft. The curls are super pretty. The texture is water wave, like I said in the beginning of the video. So this texture is water wave. It was super easy to install. You do have to bleach the knots though. I did have to bleach the knots. You definitely did need to bleach the knots because the black dots there was black dots. This wig is not pre-bleached, so you do have to bleach it just like for about like 15 minutes. And you do have to pluck the hairline a little. Like I didn't even like pluck it like I usually do. I just did a little plucking, but I did like pluck a little bit right here. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. Thank y'all for watching. This video was like super long, but thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, and bye. Love y'all.